So, looking at the brakes in here, and these things are been a lot of time before since these pads and stuff have been replaced. But that caliper I think was sticking. But last night when I came in to shut the truck down, I mashed the brake to put it in a different gear so I could check to see if that other transmission sensor worked, and forgot that I had this thing disconnected, and it blew that piston out, and of course it's leaking, not bad, and I can't crimp these lungs, so it's just kind of dripping slowly. The new calipers will be here tomorrow, so I got enough fluid in there to hold out on that. But as you can see, I was fiddling around in here, and that brake pad is just pretty poor. But to change these emergency pads out, you can see I was putting anti-seize on there to see if that helped them move a bit, but they're just too far gone. That cratered in the back there. So I got to take the hub and axle out to get to the emergency brake, which is a pain in the ass, but it's what's got to get done, and the truck is here, and I'm here, so that's what's going to happen. Emergency brake pads, shoes. So give me a chance to get in there and clean stuff up, but just make a vodka and lemon out of lemonade here. So, alright, thanks. So this is the start of it. You have to beat on that a little bit to get it pulled, but I'll have to go back and get some pics. I just moved my box and stuff over here into the detached garage from the other shop, so I don't have everything over here. But you got to pull that race out of there. Then there's a bearing in there behind it, and then this might be a real bitch to get off, but cross that bridge when we get to it. So this is the axle here. So I'll pull this guy out of here. Keep crap on it. Unfortunately, a lot of fluid's coming out. There's the axle. Excursions have pretty beefy axles, as you can see. So, it's a pretty decent axle. Alright, so axle is out. On to this. So, with any luck, what I have is the right size. So I had a brief little interruption here. Good interruption. The rotors came in. What they should be like. That's what that one was like. So, but now I really can't do the install of this because I got to get that spindle nut socket so I can get these emergency brakes swapped out. I did get new emergency brake pads, shoe pads, but these are Power Stop, I think is what the name of these are. Power Stop. They should be, I guess, adequate. Man, you can go out of your head looking at stuff. There's so many options out there, but these kind of seem to fit the bill. And anyway, I will be at it soon.